Traders on the move this morning. We got WVE down almost 30%, almost 2 million traded pre-market. That's a play. Nike NKE up over 12%, almost a million traded pre-market. That's play. Tesla down over 3%, over 4 million traded pre-market. We got quite a few here we can work with. We also stream these every weekday morning alongside market gauges SPY, QQQ, DIA, and VXX. If you're interested, you can check us out around 8 a.m. So let's go trade. YNDX, we're going to short this right here. We can get in it. We are in YNDX at 67.91. A little risky because it's up so much. It's breaking the lows here, so we're going to see if we can take this down to below 67 or near 67. And stop loss will be over 68.70 area. It's gapped up quite a bit this morning, and it's being sold off for now. Anyways, it just poked the lows here, but it didn't drop the way I wanted it to. So if it doesn't drop soon, we're just going to come out of it. I'm not even going to waste any time. I should have dropped harder there. All right, here it comes. Come on. Let's take this back down to below the lows. Should be a lot of stop orders right here at 67.50. Any sign of a pullback, we will come out of it. All right, let's come out of it right here. Come on. Ah, come on. All right, we're out. Not as much as I wanted. We only took like 45 cents. We are short J and J at 146.53. This sucker gapped up huge this morning on some good news, and it sold off right away, and now it's being bought up. But we got in it because it looked like it was going to turn there, and as soon as we got in it, the sucker starts to climb again. That stinks. But stop loss will be over 147. I'm not going to give it much. 147, and target, I like it below the lows, but it's looking like it's going to climb here. We're going to give it a second. If it don't drop soon, well, you know what, we're going to come out of this. I just don't like this. All right, we're out. Yeah, we're out. We took 30-cent loss on that. That's okay. I took it because it was dropping here in this candle, and as soon as we got in it, it got bought right back up. I'm not going to stay in this. This thing could easily climb over the highs here. We are long WDC at 40.14. This looks great here for a breakout over the top here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Get that gapped up, rallied, and then just pulled back a little bit here, and then just ignited here. So we think we're going to be able to get this over to at least 41. Stop loss will be below 39.50. Not a huge mover, but it's moving this morning. A lot of volume today. All right, we're climbing here. See if we can get a nice big fat green candle. Looks like it's struggling a little bit here. Let's just get out of this right here. All right, we're out. No big deal. We took 20 cents. All right, we are long ZM at 204.73. We're going to give this a 2-point stop loss and a 2-point gain. Target's going to be around 507. Stop loss will be around 503. 2 points either way. But this thing is on fire this morning. We just hit all-time highs, pulled back from all-time highs, and looks ready for another run higher. But you got to give this one a little bit of breathing room here because the spreads are pretty big. Here it comes. There we go. Come on. Let's take this up to 507. I don't see why not. All right, we're coming up on 506. We got about a point. We got over a point. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. All right, let's sell this right here. Nice. Oh, only 100 shares. No. Let's pull that back. Come on. All right, we're going to pull this back a little bit. No, we're out. We're out. We got the full 2 points. Nice. Nice. We got a little over 2 points. And it looks like I should have just stuck on it. We would have had another point here. WVE, we're going to short this right here at the ask. We think this thing is going to take out the lows and just drop. A huge price stock. All right, we are short at 10.86. Not a big price stock, but it's about to hit the lows, and once it hits the lows, I think it'll drop substantially here. I'm thinking anyway. Huge gap down. Huge gap. Over 30% gap down. Been consolidating here at the lows. Tried to climb, so we got a lot of dip buying that went on here. So all them dip buyers are putting their stops right at the lows here. So we think we can get this down to at least $10. That'll be the target, 10. And stop loss will be over 11.50. WVE. Let's take a look at this thing up close. We're actually going to come out of this. It's just too slow here. Alright, we're out of 100. Come on. Alright, we'll fill up. We took about a 10-cent loser. I'm not going to stay in this trade. It's not moving. It's just, it should have dropped there. It didn't, so it might get squeezed up again. Alright, we are short. J&J at 146.05. We think it's going to continue down, at least down to below 145.50, and here it comes. Stop loss will be over 146.50. A lot of stop orders here that's getting hit right now. Probably going to close some of this gap today. Here it comes. I'll probably take it once it gets to 145.50. Take a quick 50 cents off of this, just in case it gets picked up again. Market's dropping, so we can stay in this a little longer. Look at the SPY. It just took out the lows real quick, so we might see a little bit more of a sell-off here on this. Struggling a little bit here at this area. Alright, it's pulling back from the lows here a little bit. We got about 40 cents here. Alright, let's take this right here. Alright, we're out of 100. Come on. I'm going to push this up. We're out of this thing. Come on. Alright, we're out. We took 40 cents. I'll take that. Just because it should have dropped harder there. It didn't. It poked right below the lows real quick and it just got bought up there. Market's been dropping for a while here if we look at the SPY, so we're probably going to get a bounce sooner than later. So it's best to come out with 40-cent gain. I'll take that. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. I don't really see anything else here that looks good. Market's probably going to bounce soon, so we're going to keep it green here. We're up 542. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 4 winners, 2 losers. Our biggest winner on ZM and our biggest loser on J&J. Thanks for watching.